What if the future of your industry isn't in human hands, but in artificial intelligence and automation? A question that might seem straight out of a sci-fi movie, and yet, it's closer to reality than we think. We're stepping into an era where artificial intelligence and automation are no longer exclusive to tech giants and Silicon Valley startups. This revolution isn't confined by the boundaries of technology or software. It's seeping into every nook and cranny of our lives, from the food we eat, to the clothes we wear, and even how we receive medical care. It's changing the way we work, the way we live, and the way industries operate. And it's not just about robots taking over manual labor. It's about harnessing the power of AI to analyze data, make predictions, and solve problems in ways we humans can't even fathom. It's time to explore how artificial intelligence and automation are revolutionizing non-tech industries. Farmers are no longer solely reliant on traditional farming methods. With the advent of artificial intelligence, the agriculture industry is undergoing a transformation that is as profound as it is promising. Take crop monitoring, for instance. In the past, farmers had to manually inspect their fields, a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. Today, AI is changing the game. Equipped with advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms, drones are now able to scan vast stretches of farmland, identifying signs of disease or pest infestation with remarkable accuracy and speed. This not only saves time, but also helps farmers take preventative action before minor issues become major problems. The weather, as we know, plays a crucial role in farming. While farmers have long relied on forecasts to plan their activities, AI is taking weather prediction to a whole new level. By analyzing vast amounts of data from satellites, weather stations, and other sources, AI systems can provide highly accurate, location-specific forecasts. This helps farmers make informed decisions about when to plant, irrigate, and harvest their crops, thereby reducing risks and improving yields. And let's not forget about automation. From sowing seeds to picking fruits, many farming tasks that were once done by hand are now being automated. For example, automated irrigation systems, powered by AI, can adjust water levels based on real-time weather data and soil conditions. This not only conserves water but also ensures crops get the right amount of moisture at the right time. Now let's consider some real-world examples. Companies like John Deere are developing autonomous tractors that can navigate fields, plant seeds, and spray pesticides without human intervention. Meanwhile, startups like Blue River Technology are using AI to create smart farming equipment that can identify and eliminate weeds in real time. As we can see, AI and automation are not just about replacing human labor, they're about enhancing human capabilities, making farming more precise, efficient, and sustainable. AI and automation are bringing about a new era in agriculture, improving efficiency and productivity. And as technology continues to evolve, the possibilities are truly limitless. Healthcare, an industry where precision and accuracy are paramount, has found a reliable ally in AI. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the medical field, from diagnostics and patient care to research and development. Let's delve into these exciting advancements. Firstly, AI in diagnostics is paving the way for quicker, more accurate results. Machine learning algorithms, for instance, can sift through thousands of medical images in a fraction of the time it would take a human, identifying subtle patterns and anomalies with remarkable precision. This not only speeds up diagnosis but also helps detect diseases in their early stages when they are often more treatable. But AI's impact doesn't stop at diagnosis. It's also transforming patient care. Have you heard of predictive analysis? It's a method used to forecast potential outcomes based on historical data. In healthcare, predictive analysis can anticipate disease outbreaks or patient deterioration, allowing for early intervention and better health outcomes. This is particularly useful in managing chronic conditions or monitoring patients in critical care. AI is also making waves in the operating room. AI-assisted surgeries are now a reality, with robotic systems like the Da Vinci surgical system performing complex procedures with a level of precision and control that surpasses human capability. These robotic assistants can reduce the risk of complications, shorten recovery times, and ultimately save lives. Lastly, let's touch on research and development. AI is accelerating the pace of medical research, helping scientists uncover new treatments and therapies. One fascinating application is in personalized medicine. AI can analyze a patient's genetic makeup and lifestyle factors to predict their response to certain medications or treatments, leading to a tailor-made healthcare plan that is unique to each individual. In essence, AI is not replacing healthcare professionals, but enhancing their capabilities. allowing them to deliver better care. It's a tool that, when wielded correctly, can save time, reduce errors, and most importantly, save lives. AI is transforming healthcare, making it more efficient and personalized. The future of medicine is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Manufacturing, a pillar of any economy, is becoming smarter with AI. The world of manufacturing is undergoing a revolution, and artificial intelligence is at the helm. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, transforming the way we make things and bringing about a new era of smart manufacturing. One of the areas where AI is making a significant impact is quality control. In the past, humans had to manually inspect each product, a process that was time-consuming and prone to errors. Today, AI systems equipped with machine vision can check thousands of items in the time it would take a human to inspect just one. These systems can detect even the smallest imperfections, ensuring that only the highest quality products reach the consumer. AI is also revolutionizing maintenance in manufacturing. Before, equipment breakdowns often resulted in costly downtime. But now, with predictive maintenance powered by AI, manufacturers can foresee potential issues before they become problems. This means less downtime, reduced maintenance costs, and a smoother production process. AI algorithms analyze data from sensors on machinery, learning to recognize patterns and predict when a part might fail. It's like having a crystal ball for your manufacturing plant. But AI's influence doesn't stop at quality control and maintenance. It's also a powerful tool for increasing productivity. Autonomous robots, guided by AI, are now common sights on assembly lines. These robots can work around the clock without breaks, performing tasks faster and more accurately than their human counterparts. They can also take on dangerous or repetitive tasks, improving safety and job satisfaction for human workers. From quality control to predictive maintenance and productivity, AI is transforming manufacturing in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. It's not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting our capabilities, making us more efficient, and helping us produce better products. AI is ushering in the era of smart manufacturing, optimizing processes, and improving product quality. This is just the beginning. The possibilities for AI in manufacturing are as limitless as our imagination. Retail, the face of consumer interaction, is getting a facelift with AI. Picture walking into your favorite store, greeted by a virtual assistant who knows exactly what you're looking for. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, but a reality in today's retail landscape thanks to artificial intelligence. One of the most visible uses of AI in retail is personalized marketing. AI algorithms analyze a customer's shopping history, preferences, and even social media behavior to offer tailored product suggestions. This level of personalization not only boosts sales but also enhances the customer experience by making shopping more intuitive and less time-consuming. But the magic of AI doesn't stop at the customer's front door. Behind the scenes, AI plays a crucial role in inventory management. Predictive analytics, powered by AI, can forecast product demand with astonishing accuracy. It takes into account factors like seasonal trends, market shifts, and even weather patterns to predict what items will fly off the shelves and when. This helps retailers avoid overstocking or understocking, ultimately improving their bottom line. And let's not forget customer service. AI chatbots are becoming the new face of customer support in many retail businesses. They're available 24/7, instantly answering queries, resolving issues, and even processing orders. These chatbots are continually learning and evolving, making them more human-like with each interaction. And the best part, they never lose their cool, ensuring a consistently pleasant customer service experience. We're also seeing AI used in virtual fitting rooms where customers can see how clothes will look on them without trying them on, and in automated checkout systems that eliminate the need for queues. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the retail industry, from personalized marketing and efficient inventory management to enhanced customer service. It's providing a more personalized, efficient, and enjoyable shopping experience. And we're just scratching the surface of its potential. AI is revolutionizing retail, providing a more personalized and efficient shopping experience. From agriculture to retail, AI and automation are transforming how we work and live. They're not just buzzwords or lofty concepts reserved for tech gurus. They're tangible, powerful tools that are already reshaping our world. Throughout this journey, we've seen how AI is revolutionizing farming, making healthcare more personalized, streamlining manufacturing processes, and elevating the retail experience. These are not isolated instances but rather a part of a larger trend. AI and automation are becoming integral components of diverse industries, driving efficiency, innovation, and growth. They're opening new possibilities, creating jobs that we couldn't have imagined a decade ago. The beauty of this technological evolution is that it's accessible. You don't need to be a tech whiz to harness the power of AI in your field. All it takes is curiosity, a willingness to learn, and the courage to adapt. The future of non-tech industries is intertwined with AI and automation. Understanding and embracing this change is the key to staying ahead in this era of digital transformation. Alright folks, that's it for our guide on the future of automation with AI. We hope you found this video insightful and inspiring. If you did, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, colleagues, or anyone who might be interested in learning about the transformative power of AI and automation across various sectors. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss out on our future content. We've got more exciting topics coming your way. We also value your insights and opinions. So, whether you have a question, a suggestion, or just want to share your thoughts on AI and automation, please leave a comment below. Your feedback helps us create more relevant and engaging content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and be ready to embrace the future with AI.